For today's lesson, we're going to be solving two-step word problems involving converting measurements. So let's look at our first problem and read it together. It says, Liza's cat had 6 kittens. When Liza and her brother weighed all the kittens together, they weighed 4 pounds, 2 ounces. Since all the kittens are about the same size, about how many ounces does each kitten weigh? We're going to reread the problem and go sentence by sentence and try to draw anything that we can to help us solve this problem. The first sentence says, Liza's cat had 6 kittens. So I can use 6 kittens. I know that I can draw a tape diagram to represent each kitten. So I need a tape diagram with 6 units. That represents each of Liza's kittens. Now let's continue reading the second sentence. When Liza and her brother weighed all the kittens together, they weighed 4 pounds and 2 ounces. So all the kittens together weighed 4 pounds and 2 ounces. What can I draw for this? Well, all of the kittens together, I'm going to group them all together, and all of them weigh 4 pounds and 2 ounces. So let's read the next part of the question. Since all the kittens are about the same size, about how many ounces does each kitten weigh? So what are we trying to find? We're trying to find the weight of each kitten, or one kitten. What's missing in our drawing? Well, I can just select one of these units and draw a question mark to represent. That's what we're trying to find. If we find what one unit is, then all the other units will be the same, because they said that the kittens weigh all about the same amount. So how do we solve this problem? We're going to have to divide. We have to use the total weight and divide that by 6 to get one kitten's weight. But we first have to convert 4 pounds, 2 ounces, and then we can divide by 6. So we were given the total weight of 4 pounds and 2 ounces. Let's convert this into ounces. So I know that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So how can I figure out how much 4 pounds is in ounces? Well, I've got to multiply 4 times 16. And that will give me the weight in ounces. So let's go ahead and multiply that using the standard algorithm. So 4 times 6, that would give you 24. And 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 would be 6. So now I know that the 4 pounds is really the same thing as 64 ounces. So I've also got my 2 ounces here, so I need to add that here to get my total. And that would give you 66 ounces. So now that I know that 4 pounds and 2 ounces is equivalent to 66 ounces, now what must I do to solve this problem? I need to find out how much one cat weighs. So I need to divide 66 ounces by 6. Go ahead and work out the rest of this problem and show your teacher your work.